Right, I don't know about where you're living, but here in New Zealand, they don't sell sheets of sandpaper with a velcro backing. But what they do is sell the little sheets with velcro backing on at an exorbitant price. So this is simply just a little video of how you can make your own and save yourself a lot of money. I had to buy a little Black & Decker detail sander because of the work I'm doing in the living room, cleaning off all the wainscoting. And the little sanding pads that they sell you are very expensive, $15, for a set of 5 pads. Now I can get 6 pads out of this. It works out at under $2, about $1.50 a sheet. So it's a big saving. The material I'm using is what they use for making dolls. So if you go to your dressmaking shop, it's a doll material. It's smooth on one side and it's a bit fluffy, not very fluffy, but just a little bit fluffy on this side, and that will stick to your pad, your velcro pad, really well. So it's very simple. Just white glue, woodworking glue. I tried the spray on glue. It didn't work. Spray adhesive didn't work, so don't waste your time experimenting with that. It just pulled straight off. Plenty of glue on, nice and liberal. I'm a modern man. I have a digital applicator for my glue. Always pays to have a wet cloth handy. And then you're going to stick this down, shiny side down, onto the paper. Oops. I'm trying to do it a clever way for you. Trying to be smart. You see, normally I do it the way I normally do it. This will be easier. Just like that. Turn it over. And then just use a roller roll it down along the edges. Alright, that's it. Let that dry overnight, and what I do is I just put a piece of custom wood over it with weight on it just to hold it flat while it's drying. In the morning you've got your velcro back sandpaper. Hope you enjoyed.